Gorgeous true 4-bedroom, 3-bath townhome is located on a beautifully landscaped corner lot. From the minute you walk into this open floor plan, you notice the quality features, which include a stone wall in the great room, granite countertops and tile backsplash, remote control lanai triple door lanai blinds, under cabinet lights in each bathroom, central vac system, new garage door installed and hot water heater installed 2020. 4th bedroom is on first floor with entry to bath, perfect for guests or roommate situation for rentals, could also be used as den with pull-out sofa bed. Enjoy the Florida resort lifestyle, no yard maintenance to worry about. VillageWalk is an award-winning resort lifestyle, maintained community. This premier Palmer Ranch community has 1,777 homes and sits on over 500 acres of lush, manicured tropical landscaping where you can see sandhill cranes, bald eagles and other beautiful wildlife. This ideal location has A-rated schools nearby, and the world-renowned Siesta Key Beach and the Legacy Trail are minutes away. Sarasota's arts and culture, its waterways, and lots of excellent dining and shopping area readily accessible. There are miles of walking and biking trails within this beautiful gated community. VillageWalk's Waterfront Town Center consists of an updated 24-hour state-of-the-art fitness center, lap and lagoon pools, 6 Har-tru lighted tennis courts, basketball court, pickleball court, bocce and meeting rooms. VillageWalk is one of the few communities that has its own cafe, full bar, and gas station, as well as a hair salon, and a gift shop. There is a full calendar of events and over 40 activities for all ages and interests. You need never run out of things to do. Close to great restaurants, Siesta Key Beach and shopping.